Accident, Kona Electric 2021, only about 15,000 miles, 26,000 kilometers. Front bumper cover got pulled, also the front piece here, but it was pulled, it was not crushed, so there's no damage other than that. This mirror also is damaged, the other one mirror. Headlights damaged, these are expensive. So really just the cover with those fog lights, it's the upper trim. Next damage, side here, I don't know. Okay, this was before, I think. Not sure what's in this, but I can tell the wheel was torn. So the suspension damage and the rear bumper cover, and that's it. It's really just in the corner. Oh yes, also the trunk, all these pieces here, but it's really surface damage, not inside. Totaled. Canadian repairs, 30 plus $1,000 for all this. It's crazy. Again, underneath, pristine, not even a scratch, battery intact, everything on the other side, there's no damage whatsoever. Even the under tray cover is perfect, no damage. Basically the bumper got pulled, and then the wheel hit a curb, and the rear bumper hit another car which was parked. Okay, just to say, yeah, I think this is overkill because, oh yeah, is it? I don't know, I just cannot tell. It's weird, but sometimes just bear in mind this car insurance, sorry it's windy, car insurance will just overestimate 30,000. I have a hard time believing this. I know front is going to be two lights and the bumper cover and that trim, it's really expensive, maybe up to 10 grand. The suspension is not that bad. I mean, you just replace the arm that's bent, then the cover, trunk, and all the parts there, maybe another, let's call it maybe 10 grand, 20, but not 30 plus. 32 they told us. So anyhow, this is Canadian dollars, right? Oh, all this to say that yeah, I was saying these insurance companies have deals with garages, and sometimes they will declare over the price, the actual repair price, and they resell the car. I don't know, the battery was replaced 5,000 kilometers, so this year basically, the main battery, so it's almost new, and they just resell it for parts, make a profit. But you cannot really argue with them. Yep. Or other times they instead of declaring it total loss, they repair it, and it's another scenario. I think it's quite shoddy. I am having a hard time explaining this. Okay, that's to say.